So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment 5G wireless standard design week 7 assignment 7. So the first question is calculate the number of null bits in channel interleaving during PUCC format 2 transmission. Consider allocation of 16 PRBS over 1 OFDM symbol for PUCC with a reference signal overhead of 1 by 3. Note, refer 6.3.2 section 38.211 release 15 3 GPP document for modulation order in PUCC. So the answer of our first question is 64. Now the second question is calculate the spectral efficiency of a 1 into 2 CMOS system in case of unit signal power and unit noise variance. Consider the channel matrix H equal to show on. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is 0.81. Now the third question is select the reference signals not used in uplink. So these are the option and the answer of our third question is B. Now the fourth question is select the correct statement regarding course at 0 node. Refer 38.211 release 15.3 GPP document for information on course at 0. So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is all of the above. Now the fifth question is rate matched bit sequence in PUCC is given as dash performs channel interleaving on the given bits and provide the output bit sequence. So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is A. Now the sixth question is select the UCI length for which segmentation can be possible on UCI bits. So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is 1400 and 2506. Now the seventh question is calculate CRC bits for the UCI bit sequence given as. So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is C. Now the eighth question is name the functional block that represent following pseudo code in PUCC that takes input sequence as D0, D1 and so on and output the sequence Y0, Y1 and so on. Note refer 38.212 release 15 3 GBP and so on. So the answer of our eighth question is B. Channel interleaving. Now the ninth question is select the channel that carry UCI. So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is A and C. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.